Good day everyone. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will begin a new and exciting project that will be worth watching. You are probably wondering what that amazing project is. So that fantastic project is called an app.
Yes, you listen correct. You will feel so cool and proud of yourself after creating this app. Assume you created an app, it's a fantastic feeling. Is that correct, guys? So, this app is primarily related to music, or you could say it is a music app. Imagine you are giving this app to your friends, family, crush, and loved ones. That big smile on their faces will be worth it. So, now let's know more about this app. This app is basically related to songs, but just your favorite ones. So if you want to impress your crush, want to look cool, want to be famous in your society, or you want your crush to like you back, then this will be the best option for you. You will start from the basics and everything will be so easy. But for that you have to watch this video from the beginning to end. So let's start with project. First of all, open Android Studio. Android Studio will help you develop your app in a more productive way at scale. Android Studio provides the fastest tools for developing app on every Android device. I searched for Android Studio and this is the icon of Android Studio. It may take some time to start. As in the video, it is fast just because according to timing we have cut some extra waiting and processing clips to save the time. It may happen that in your device it's processing slow or fast, but that depends on the configuration of your laptop. It happens sometimes that this thing is working fast in my laptop and slow in your laptop, or vice versa. But please don't get irritated because of this, as this very heavy software. So for using this software, I will recommend you at least 4 GB RAM and i5 processor to your laptop. So on the screen you must be able to see a project, but this is an old one and we are going to make this project again to make you understand every basic thing about this app from zero, as this is an old project. So for making a new project, click on file button, present on the toolbar. After that click on new button, then select new project. It is taking time just because of the processor. Once it is opened, select empty activity and then click on the next button. After that, we are going to write application name. Name should be unique, as because of a unique name your app will get a different kind of fame, guys. Now I want to get connected with my public, so I wrote name iSongs. Yes, right, iSongs. This is an app name which you have to set. You can choose name according to you also, okay, whatever you want to make. Now this is the package name. Save location and language are set by default, and if you want to change these things you can change yourself too, but I cannot recommend you because after changing these default settings maybe you will face errors. This is a minimum SDK, Android 21, Android 5.0 Lollipop. Why I chose this? I chose this because by taking this app will work in at least 98% devices approximately. After completing all this, just click on finish button. Still our project is open in the desktop, but for making a new project I am switching the file. Right now Gradle project synchronization is going on. It's always processing as it checks all the backend resources. It may take few minutes, depend on systems. You just have to wait, and please don't get irritated. Just remind your motto. Why are you creating this app and for whom? It is taking time or getting loading because we have just clicked and it is processing on in the backend. Once it gets completed, we will start creating our app. Now it's finished. As you can see, it is showing Gradle project synchronization finished. It won't be clear for you, but there is a word written. Can you see which is that word? That word is basically hello. We don't need that hello word, but that's by default. As we don't need, so we will delete that. Now I have deleted that word. Now next, I want to add some pictures for that, but for adding some pictures, that picture should be in your app resource folder. On the screen you must be able to see two pictures, one is of headphones and another is of music. Now I want these two images, but I have already downloaded this from internet and the saved in a folder. Now I just have to copy both the images. Firstly, I have copied the image of headphones by Ctrl+C, and now I will put this image in my app so that it will be visible. For that, click on resources, then I clicked on drawable options. All the files related to images comes under drawable, which is inside the res folder, or we can say a resource folder, and then I have to paste my image there.